Welcome to this overview tutorial on revolutionizing your monthly SHEQ statistics reporting with our game-changing template. As a SHEQ officer, you're probably tired of spending hours compiling reports, but what if you could generate a comprehensive monthly report in under a minute? This template is designed to make your life easier, providing an instant analysis of key performance indicators, complete with charts and descriptions. If you're ready to transform the way you capture and analyze data, watch this lesson and discover how to do it with just a few clicks. On the top right, you'll find the Generate Report button. Click it, and in seconds, your report will be saved in a designated folder. Use the hyperlinks on the top left to navigate effortlessly between worksheets. Let's get started. The worksheet report structure is designed for effortless navigation and automatic data retrieval. I've hyperlinked each section of the report to fetch data directly from designated worksheet tables, so you can focus on interpreting the results rather than manual data entry. The pre-populated sections will display the latest data, requiring no edits, while the blank sections are where you'll add context and descriptions to make sense of the numbers. To add context to your report, simply double-click the merged cells in the blank sections and type your descriptions. To format your text neatly, click Wrap Text, and adjust the alignment to suit your needs. It's that easy to make your report clear and concise. This formula is pulling data from cell H10 in the Leading Indicators matrix worksheet, automatically retrieving the value to display in this report. This formula is used throughout the report to fetch data from various worksheets. Don't edit these cells to avoid errors. One of the template's key features is its comparison functionality. Simply enter the column name in cell H10, start date in I10, and end date in J10 to analyze specific data ranges. Results display in K10. You can add multiple comparisons using rows below H11, I11, J11, etc. Changes update automatically across all worksheets and the main dashboard, giving you flexible insights into your data. Your report is now saved as a PDF with a single click. If you're in any department looking to simplify reporting, feel free to reach out. My contact details are below.